Welcome to Calgary Triumph Centre. Hello, this is Sharon Rose Master Lee Chew. Welcome to Calgary Triumph Centre. So why do he choose Triumph? Triumph indicates great victory or achievement. It has a very prophetic name for our new centre. It tells us that we all can be, successful and have victory. And God has blessed us with all this business. Want us all to overcome and be overcomer and achiever in overflowing victory and achieve great success in our business. Isn't it Atomy vision is customer success? So its Calgary Triumph Centre aims for every member to achieve success and victory. I was being challenged, and I took up the challenge and the courage to do it. There's no centre in Calgary, and Calgary needs a home for all the members, and that is my deciding factor to open up a centre. The centre is a hub for business training to educate and teach our member, to learn about our company vision, and also, to learn about our righteous compensation plan. And, that's why, a center should be like that. We should focus on training. That's why it's called educational center. For the offline meeting, now everybody loves the Good Morning Canada. That is one of our favorite programs to watch. And after watching the Good Morning Canada, we will have a brainstorming, and we will discuss what we learn. And we find that this is really very good for to strengthen our relationship and build having a team spirit. And we also, our members, love to invite their guests for complimentary facial here. And that is our strength in our center, is we give complimentary facial. By doing this, we notice that the success rate of people coming for the center, after doing the facial, 99.9% will sign up as Atomy members. And because of this experience and success, our leaders, roll out to places like Edmonton, Grand Prairie, Spruce Grove, Lethbridge, and the most recently is Winnipeg. So yeah, that is what our members like to do here in our center. Well, they felt very comfortable, when they enter our center, and they feel very much at home. And I always tell my members, this is not my center only. It belongs to every Atomians. And I encourage them to use the center to come here and do their business activities. We want to spread love among all of us, because Atomy is a caring company. And we believe in our company motto, that is cherish the spirit and the serve in humility is the most important motto, for us. So I want our members to remember these two elements. It's such an important element, because I believe that if we have these two principles, these two mottos in our mind, we will be successful. Well, I'm proud to say that we moved from our small office to this location in just 4 months. So you can see that the growth is there. We saw a need to have a bigger office. So we decided to move here and have this bigger space for our members, different groups to come and do their business, in the Atomy business. And also, we can see that, within the past 2 years, we have promoted many sales master and diamond master. And look at the wall of fame. Okay, this proves that, over the last 2 years, we have many promotion going on. And that's, is something that I'm very proud of. I felt there's a lot of responsibility on my end. It's not easy. Atomy is a relationship business, and I see many different kinds of people. It taught me to be humble, to be tactful, to be patient, and to be considerate at all times. My way is not their way, so I cannot be, always set on my way, for my members. I have to accommodate everybody's needs. In the past, I cannot do business presentation. I hate reading books. Now I developed the liking of giving business presentation. I'm so eager, and I have been reading books every day. Why? To equip myself to be an effective and inspiration leader. My goals as education center goal is to promote more master, especially auto sales master and auto diamond master. As I mentioned before, this wall of fame, we want to fill up the whole wall here, and that's our goal. And I want to, tell them to, come and learn about Atomy business, use and love the product. And I also want to encourage them through my experience to open up center in Edmonton, Grand Prairie, and Winnipeg. And that's my center goal. Please come to the center. The center is for you. Don't be busy, but be productive. Face-to-face, interaction is the best way, to build lasting relationship. So please come to the center. Your leaders here will be eager to help you to build your business. So please come. Welcome to Calgary Triumph Center. Let's do it again.
Yeah.
Okay. Hello, my name is Lee Chu. Welcome to Calgary Triumph Center.
You forgot the Shadow Rose Master.
Did I say that? Oh, okay.